Welcome to the world of makeup. As a beginner, navigating the vast era of products can be overwhelming. But don't worry, I have got you covered. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 must-have makeup essentials that every beginner need, from hydrating your skin to defining your eyes to giving your lips a shade. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hi, I'm Ayushi and today you are watching Chic Ayushi. So let's build your ultimate beginner makeup kit. Come on in. First up, we have a moisturizer. A moisturizer is really essential to start with your makeup routine. It will hydrate your skin and give your skin a smooth base. Next up, we have a BB or a CC cream. You can use any of it, whichever you are comfortable with, and make sure they are according to your skin tone. And they're a great alternative to heavy foundations, especially for beginners, and give your skin a flawless look and a natural glow to everyday makeup. Next up, we have Kajal, a versatile piece of makeup product. It is very easy to apply on and to blend. Make it very easy for beginners to use. It also elevates your eyes and give them definition. Kajal can be used as a natural everyday makeup product, or it could also be used as dramatic makeup product if you apply it underneath your lashes. Moving on to the fourth product, I have chosen 2 products in this category. One is an eyeliner and the another is a mascara. You can use any of it or both of it according to your preference. Eyeliner defines your eyes and give them a pop, and a mascara gives your lashes volume and length. Finally, moving on to lipstick. Lipstick instantly elevates your look and give your lips a splash of color. Lipstick is a key part of every makeup routine. It is very important to apply a lip balm before applying a lipstick for smooth texture. And there you have it, 5 basic makeup essentials, perfect for beginners. With these basics, you can create a variety of looks without feeling overwhelmed. I hope you find this video helpful. So if you did, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also comment down below what topics videos you want next, and all the products link will be given in the description box. So don't forget to check it out, and I shall see you in my next video, guys. Okay, bye. Love you all.